Hi guys, this is a room tour of room 414 of the Hampton Inn & Suites, Milwaukee West. And again, we have our individual picture. We kind of like this one. And the hall here is very nice and well lit. And this again seems to be a very new property. It looks really spanking brand new. We are right across the street from the Wisconsin State Fairground. Like literally you can walk there. Okay, so coming in, first I'm going to show you this. This is the same door that they have at the newest Hampton Inn & Suites in downtown Minneapolis. It's bizarre. It's one door and it slides on a rail. This is the trendy thing. And it has a mirror on it. But as you can see, it's the bathroom door and the closet door. Here's the closet. You can't have both things closed at the same time because when I pull it over to shut the closet, now the bathroom is open. So I don't know whose brilliant idea that was, but I think it's pretty dumb. Okay, the bathroom is fine. It's got the typical Hampton curved shower rod, some nice hooks here, shower tub combo. The floor mat is in a bow. Isn't that lovely? Oh, my picture on the wall. It's kind of pretty. Little dash of color. Toilet. Big wide sink with lots of counter space. Big mirror. And again, heaps of towels. Hampton really likes us to have plenty of towels. Okay. And then it's a big room. Out here we have, it's just Ben and I. We're doing a 3-night stay in Milwaukee here at 2 different hotels. 1 night here and then 2 nights at a different one, which I'll do a room tour of that too. And it's just him and I because at the end of this 3-night adventure, we're picking Megan up from her camp in Whitewater and then going home. So anyway, we've got 2 queen beds and I already did my bed bug check. And nice big, it looks like leather, but I'm sure it's not, faux leather headboards. 2 bedside lamps. We've got plug-ins and USB ports between the beds. And there's no drawer. This is something I've been seeing sometimes lately too. It actually is a pull-out table for like additional bedside table space. Although I feel like you'd hit yourself on that if you had that out at night. And then there's a desk. Ben is sitting at the desk in a nice swivel rolly armchair, big screen TV. There's under here coffee stuff, ice buckets, and there's a fridge in this cupboard. And this one is like pull-out shelves, and there's the Bible, pull-out racks. So that's kind of different. So there's no actual drawers anywhere in this room. And then there's 2 of these rolly footrest ottoman things that I like to put our suitcases on. Another big table here and more plugs over here. And big, huge, I don't think this is all window though. No, that's a wall. The window's actually quite small. And again, we have a view of the parking lot. But as you can see, the State Fairgrounds is right there. So all in all, very nice property. And I think we will sleep much better tonight because it's just Ben and me and we each get our own big bed. Okay, thanks guys for joining me. Safe travels.